How to cancel Shein order. First thing first, head over to your application Shein. Enter your login credential as in your username and the password and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this interface. Now what you're going to do is head over to Me at the bottom right corner of the screen. In this section, the option of My Orders will be visible to you. You will be able to see tons of different options in My Orders. You will only be able to cancel the order if it is on paid or processing. But if it has been shipped, then you won't be able to cancel it. So let me head over to Unpaid. In this page, you will be able to see the order that you have placed. If you have one, then click on it. At the bottom right corner, the option of Cancel Order will be visible to you. You simply have to click on it and then state the reason why you want to cancel the order. Once you have stated the reason on why you want to cancel, once again you have to click on Confirm, and then the order will be cancelled successfully. And also if your order is processing, then also you have to do the similar process. And then only you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can cancel Shein order. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.